Hey, have you ever thought that why do you trust when something will be said by Mukesh Ambani or Oprah Winfrey, Steve Jobs, Sachin Tendulkar? Because they're the brands. Not only even they are brands, they're trustworthy brands. You trust them. There are many people who are becoming brands and they show different quality of a brands. So do you want to become such a humongous brand? Stick to this video. This video will teach you how to be a bigger brand than Coca-Cola, Steve Jobs, Anil Ambani, Mukesh Ambani and various other leaders. Subscribe this channel if you like this video. The first aspect of being a brand is to turn people head on towards you. That means attraction. Attraction is the first rule of any advertising or any marketing. They do promotion so that people get attracted towards you. Tesla is one of the finest car maker, and what they did into their promotion strategy is they had driven a very good advertisement through which they have showed Tesla orbiting in the space with Starman. So connecting your product with a supernatural power was an awesome step did by them. They obviously grabbed a huge proportion of customers' attention towards their product. So you have to learn from the product, you have to market yourself, you have to speak, you have to resonate with the consumer so that they get and grab attention what you say. So you should get people attention. That's the first thing you have to do. So now once you have grabbed the attention of consumer, the second thing which they'll be looking out is why they are with you. So you have to develop unique selling point, like what Hyundai did way back in 2009 when we were hit by a great inflation rate. Our economy was going down. So what Hyundai did, they said that they are offering car and you can buy these car on finance. And the special part, if your job has been lost and you're not able to pay that EMI sort of thing, they will give you relaxation. So that pulled Centro out of that session of 2009 while other players suffered a lot. So you have to think out of the box. You have to develop some USP. In your personal reference, you can develop your USP. If you're from technical background, you have to get updated with technical things. If you're from soft skill background, you have to learn these skills. So you have to work on your skills, be whatever your skills are. And everybody is gifted with some skills. You have to develop that skills, you have to polish that skills. That's it. And you will master whole world. Now, the third thing, you have developed your USP. People are giving attentions to you. But now, as per the personality part, I have all talked about Mahatma Gandhi, I have talked about Steve Jobs. These people have integrity with themselves. They were following ethics. So you have to do the same. You have to follow ethics into your characteristics, into your working area. Like what Levi's did. Levi's is a jeans making company, but they manufacture a jeans which require very less water. So they are working on to environmental part as well. People build trust on these values when you actually contribute to the nature or other ailment problems. This is the time where coronavirus is spreading. If you are a company or you can help people getting out of this coronavirus or help them into this situation, they'll trust your personality, they'll trust you, they'll trust into your motivations, they'll trust into your actions. So this is the time to work on ethics. Don't blur yourself when question comes on your ethics. Follow ethical rules and behavior. And the last but not least, but the hardest, it's getting correct feedback. Obviously, people in face of you will tell good things about you. But what is that which is problematic about you? You need to get an honest review of yourself. The brand, actually, when they are doing branding, they want to know how this branding is helping their customers to recognize their brand. So what is there in the minds of customers? Same you have to do with yourself. If you want to project yourself as an honest brand, you need to know whether your consumer are pursuing you like that or not. So for that, you have to develop some system through which you can get feedback. There are a few questions on which you have to work while getting your feedback. What is the most noticeable trait about me? Am I in sync with my values and at the place where I work is also sync with my values? What further I can do to make myself better? How I can be a better performer with my recent experiences? And what are the major reasons why my project didn't get success? So these questions will put across the correct feedback of what you're going through or what your consumer pursuing you as a brand. Remember, a brand does not being built only by promotion or marketing. It is being built when your consumer also pursues you the same. So you can bring or you can brought out the change in your personality. You can be a very big brand. Follow these 4 steps and become one of the humongous brands you have witnessed. Be like Mahatma Gandhi, be like Steve Jobs, be like Mukesh Ambani, whatsoever it is. But develop your own brand, make yourself identifiable in this world following these 4 simple, easy branding techniques.